Chef Jeff from the Rogue Chef in Branson, Missouri this morning. I'm going to do a favorite breakfast sandwich of my family and one that we'll probably be serving when we do breakfast at the Rogue Chef. It's just a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich on a bagel. You can do it open face or closed face. I'll show you both today. First, I've already put the bacon in the oven and it's about ready to come out. You have to have crispy bacon. I mean, that's just a given. And the bacon's been in the oven at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes. It depends on the thickness of your bacon. I use a thick cut bacon, applewood smoke, or a pecan smoke if you can find it. If not, the regular hickory bacon will do just fine. I've preheated my pan, and now we're going to toast the bagel bun. The key to a good toasted bagel, lots of butter. Be generous, don't be shy. And while our bagels are toasting, I will pull our bacon off to let it drain on a pad to get a little bit of the bacon grease off. But don't waste the bacon grease. That's going to play a key part in our bagel sandwich. Scrambled egg. I've got fresh farm eggs that I've got from the local farmer's market. You can go to a farmer's market, get the fresh eggs. They're better tasting. Again, always crack on a different serving and we'll just scramble. Some people say to add water. I don't. I just don't see the need in it. Here you can see we've got a nice toast on our bun, nice GBD, as one of my professors once told me, golden brown and delicious. And now what I'll do is I'll turn the heat down slightly. I'm using electric. Normally I would use a gas grill, gas stove in the restaurant or on a flat top. Here's the key to the perfect scrambled eggs with the sandwich, the bacon fat. Gotta use the bacon fat. And then pour your scrambled eggs in with a spatula and start turning. And you're incorporating that bacon grease that you put in there into the pan. See how it comes together quickly? This whole sandwich comes together rather quickly once you get your bacon done. Then I take 3 pieces of bacon, then we got to flip our egg. Finish it off. Slide our egg on top. In the middle, we take our Havarti cheese, put it on top, and then we'll put it in the oven just for a little bit to get it to start to melt. Now it's been about a minute or so. You see cheese is melted nicely over the top of it. Put it, and there you go. You can serve, you can have it open faced with just the bottom or a top, or you can serve it, have it like a regular sandwich on top. Thank you. Enjoy.